Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 12. In this video, I will show you how you can add music in BIGO Live application. For that, open your BIGO Live application. Below you will see various icons there. Click on that little camera icon in the middle below. You will reach to this page. Then start your live by tapping on that Go Live button and the live streaming will be started. Now to add music, click on the three lines next to chat icon below. Once you click on it, you will see various features like stickers, sounds popping up. There you will also see the music icon next to DIY notify icon. Click on it and select the music from the album you want. Once you select the music will start playing in the background. And now if you want to remove this music, click on the music playing icon. You will see various icons there. Click on the last icon that looks like power off button and it will get removed. So this is how you add music in BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.